Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to show you how to study effectively by using two different note-taking methods. So guys, the tablet that I have with me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So let's start. First of all, I will open the Samsung Notes, and the first method that I want to show you is called Cornell method. So you can see over here on the top we have the title or the main topic, okay, and then we have this first section. So this is the first section over here, and here you can put your questions, okay, or you can put here the vocabulary, or you can put here the topic. Okay, so this is the first section. Okay, so the second section over here, this is the main section, or you can also call this the main note taking section. So here you can write the answers, okay, or you can write the main topic notes. Okay guys, or here you can write the definitions. Okay, so guys, this is the second section in the Cornell method, and this is the third section, the last section. So here you can summarize, okay, your notes. So here you can write the summary, okay, and most of the time I avoid this section. I only use these two sections. So here you can have all your topics, okay, and then here you can write different notes according to your topics. So what I do is I will open a split screen mode. I will open my slides, okay, I will show you. So these are my slides, so I will open them in a split screen mode like this, okay, and then I open my lecture in the slide mode. So you can see over here there is a different slides, okay, so I can have my slides on the side, and then I start making my notes. Okay, so this is a really cool method, and it is very easy for you to take your notes. The second thing that I want to mention here is about abbreviations. So to save my time, I use different abbreviations. I will close this, okay, so like this one I will use for increase, so this one for decrease, okay, then I have with or without, okay, and then if I want to write because, I use this abbreviation. For between, I use this abbreviation. So these abbreviations will help me to speed up my notes, and they also save a lot of space, so I can have more text, okay, in a small area. So this is really a useful method for study effectively. The second method that I want to show you is called box method, guys. So I will open the box method. So this is the box method. On top you have the title, then you have the central point or main subjects, then you have the notes about the main points in the box section. I will show you that I already have my notes in the box mode. So you can see over here, so this is the main topic about respiratory diseases. Then I mentioned different diseases with the image. You can also insert the image. Then I write the diseases and the notes in the boxes. So you can see over here. So by this method you can save the space, okay, and you have write the main topic, okay, so this provide the extra details about the main topic. So using this method, as I already told you, save a lot of space, lot of time, and then I can quickly have a look on my notes before my exam, or it's even very easy to study for the preparation of different quizzes or different tests. So this is how I use this second box method. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.